Hi folks, a lot of people ask me how to take up membership to Pet Health as a gift for another friend or relative. That's relatively easy to do, and we're going to explain that in this little video clip. There's only a few steps involved. The first step is you need to fill in a membership application form using your own details. Then you need to complete a membership application form using your friend details, and then you need to check that it's working, and then you can tell your pet they've got a gift. Let me show you the process. The first step is to fill in a membership application and to pay for that membership using your own details here. And this takes us to the application process where we can pay for membership. If you look through here, you'll see there's a Buy Now button. You can select the type of membership your friend would like to have from the drop-down list, and here we're going to click a 12 months membership. Click on the Buy Now button, and that will now take where eventually you can add your credit card details. So let's just check that was what we wanted, a year's membership, annual membership single. That's what we wanted. Click Continue, and now it says, do you want to pay for that by credit card? The answer is obviously yes, so you pay for this by credit card. This is where you put in your type of card you're using here, put in your card number. We'll put in a fictitious one here, which won't work obviously. The CCV number is a number that's on the back of your card, and you need to make sure you select the right expiry date in 2018 being our expiry date. And the name of the card, for instance, would be your name, so we might call you Mrs. A Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, and let's put a capital letter there. So these are your details. Now this is where you need your email address, so you put A-F-R-I-E-N-D, just picking a fictitious one, at abc.com.au. And down here, I need you to complete your own details, not the details of your friend. So this is Mrs. A B. Your home number might be 0733333333. Your daytime number might be 0245678890. Your home address, well, let's put this down as F-R-I-E-N-D Street. Let's give you a number, shall we? 32 Friend Street in Friendsville, F-R-I-L-E, in Queensland. And the postcode for that might be 4444, and your email address again will just come on, of course, for that. But just here, I would like about the fact that this is a gift for your friend whose name might be Mr. G. Buddy, B-U-D-D-Y. Now, when you click this Submit Payment button, this will now, and provided you've got your correct expiry date and a CCV number, that screen, which looks similar to this one here. There we go, this one here. Now, this screen will say, important, please do not leave this page until you've activated your membership to the membership application. Now takes you to the second step. So let's have a look at step 2. We click this link here. That will take us through to the membership application form, and this form is the one where you need to put the details of your friend, not your details. This is what will activate their membership. So you can read through these details if you want, but let's put Mr. George Buddy's name in here. First name, George, G-E-O-R-G-E. Last name, Buddy, B-U-D-D-Y. His address might be 34 Buddy, and we'll pick a suburb, B-U-D-D-Y-S-V-I-L-L-E, wherever that is. Let's say that's in New South Wales, and the postcode might be 2345. This is in Australia. The email address of your buddy might be G, B-U-D-D-Y, at abc.com.au. And I'm going to copy that because we'll need that in a moment. You'll see why. His mobile number might be 04111111. His ordinary telephone number might be, I don't know, let's put a few numbers in there. Now, this is the important bit. We need to nominate George a username and access to the site. Most people use their email address as their username, and that's an easy one for your friend to remember. So we'll put his email address that I originally copied out of there. And the password could be the name of his pet. Let's say he's got a pet by the name of Hamish, H-A-M-I-S-H. Now you have to remember that because you can't see it, so that's Hamish, H-A-M-I-S-H. We'll click that he wants to accept. I think you should say yes, he does want the newsletter so he can get lots of good stuff from us. And you would put your name as the referring person, so this would be A Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D. Now when we click, this will then do a few things with the internal bits of the website and say, hey, thank you for submitting your membership application. Your membership should now be active. And at this point, you can log in here and check that the membership is working. So let's just see that is working properly. Here we go. And remember, the username is the email address. I've got that in memory already. So this GBuddy and the password was Hamish, Hamish. If we submit that, that should now work. There we go. It now says welcome member, and now he's got all activation to the membership section. So people, activating a membership for a friend is not difficult. There are two main steps. Purchase the membership and fill in the membership applicant's name. You'll get an email back to your email address with all of those details for them, but it's a good idea to what you've got. Don't forget to tell them their username and password they will use to get access. And by the way, to get them into the site, let me just log out here for a moment. See, it says I'm logged in as gbuddyabc.com.au. We'll log out for the moment. And just one last step, and to log in, just go to where we log in. So again, the user's name was gbuddy@abc.com.au, and the password was the pet's name, Hamish, H-H. If we click log in there, that should now work quite happy. Thank you, folks. Take care with that. Hope it all works well.